Lance is sort of an independent, if I remember correctly. These are 4-season coaches. This is the 2465. Okay. Look at that. You got a little boot wipe, right? Clean your feet before you go in. Different type of steps, which are really sweet. You have electronic jacks, or electric jacks, I should say. Okay. And you have some covers over the windows. It's partially why it makes it 4-season. All right. Well, that's locked, so we can't get in there. All right. There's an awning. Let me go back. There's an awning that covers almost the entire side. Right, there's the back. So it goes all the way to the front. Okay. There's also a really beefy ladder that goes all the way to the top. Okay. So let's go on in, check that out, so you at least can see the quality of this particular Lance. Okay. Like the design of the floor. And you got this little nice sort of chaise and a couple of seats here. Chaise lounge.
Isn't that nice?
It's a chaise lounge.
Yeah.
All right, little
Little
shelf up
reading
there.
light.
Yep, reading light, and it's the same on the other side too. Got
Yeah.
mirrored images.
Very
Okay.
nice.
And here, let me give it, at least sit down. Oh my gosh. Just sit on this, Lisa. You just sink right down into that. That is so comfortable.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, can we stay here the rest of the
I
day?
know. It'd be so nice.
Would you
wouldn't
guys
it?
be upset if we just sat here and talked to you for 2 hours? All right, there is power, by the way, here. 12 volt as well. And there's the same on the other side. Okay? There we go. We're a nice little banquette. Okay.
Nice little detail lights, too.
Yep, with storage underneath.
Oh, yeah.
She was talking about the lights. There's the lights hang on with the storage. There we go.
Okay.
Your shades, day and night. So, Lisa, just slide it up. So up. Yeah, there you go. You don't have to separate them. You can do them together. So there's your day. There's your night. Okay? Which is really neat. I love that. Okay? The windows here pop out, as you can see. So you have great ventilation in here. Okay? Behind Lisa is the entertainment center. So when you're sitting on this nice chaise lounge, there's a comedy skit where somebody does that. I just forget the name of it. Oh, it's a behind the scenes of some rock band touring or whatever. And there was these two guys. Their entire job for the tour was to move the chaise lounge. It was funny. You'd have to see it. Anyway, you got a fireplace down there, JBL sound system, right? I'm digging the floor.
I do too. I like
Yeah,
it.
it's just digging the floor.
Yeah. Very
Right.
nice.
So Lisa's sort of in the kitchen, which as you come in the door coming around the corner, there's a couple hooks so you can put your keys there.
Very nice.
Maybe you can shove your wallet or whatever up in there too, right?
Yeah, sure.
Right.
So we have solid surface countertops.
surface.
Look at this nice sink.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Built-in
Behind us-
trash.
Exactly.
Tiny trash can, but at least it's built in,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. We've got a 3-burner stove. This is a Suburban. We have an oven here as well. Underneath the sink, we've got some cabinets
Nice.
and some drawers on the side here.
This has a very European feel to it, okay? I have, in my life, toured extensively in Europe. And, cabinetry, doorknobs, things like that, they just look and feel different there. This has a very European feel to it.
I would kind of agree. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
look at the
lights come on as you open these up. The microwave is hidden.
Very nice.
Nice feature,
Right.
right?
Yeah, just look at the details on the cabinets. You got the nice
Yep.
curve with the
Yeah.
detailed colors. Nice little backsplash there as well.
All right, when we're done with this, if anybody else wants to see another Lance, leave a comment. Because, these aren't everywhere. By the way, this is propane
It is.
and electric. So
The
this
second
is the
one we've
second one
seen.
that we've seen that is still propane/electric.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If anybody else wants to see a different model of Lance so you can compare, okay.
Mm-hmm.
As we're entering the bathroom, there's a door here, guys, so you can close the back of the coach off. There is storage here, okay, so you can put your towels in there, right? You've got your. Oh, we've got an owner.
Not of this unit, of the 2285.
The 2285. And how long have you had yours?
Almost 2 years now.
Almost 2 years now. And what made you decide to buy Lance over like the plethora of other choices you have?
The quality.
The quality.
That was before they changed manufacturer. I heard it's got by Rev now, so we don't know what the quality is now. But
From the look, the quality has not suffered.
it doesn't appear appear to be.
No.
I would agree.
But looks in reality is always different.
Yes.
We'll give them the benefit of the doubt that the quality is still there.
Yeah.
Because typically the people move and the build stays the same, even though the ownership, if you will, or name at the top changes.
Right.
What in this industry, what happens is they're able to have better buying power with the bigger companies, so they're able to produce them a little less expensive. We may not see that.
No, because the price is considerably up.
Yes, but they're
Yes.
able with the buying power to get the raw materials a little bit less expensive. Before I get back into that bathroom, there you go. This has got a little shade over it too, which, there you go. So you don't have to stick something out there if you want to block off the light. Thank you for your opinions.
Yes,
oh,
thank you.
The snaps
what-
that come with these things, the covers.
Oh, there's a
Oh.
cover that goes on there. Yeah, look at that.
Probably in the
The snaps.
usually ours were in the seats underneath here.
Yeah.
The doors pull out. And that's where they kept everything.
All right, well, let's
Ah,
see if
very
it's there.
Nice.
Come on, figures. It's my turn.
It's your turn. You've been
Well, that
picking
just
on
doesn't
me
wanna come
all
out.
week.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I love
That
it.
just was wrong.
I love
The button
it.
locks it.
Oh, the button locks it. Yeah, they got him hidden somewhere else so somebody doesn't steal him.
But I know they have one for this, one for this, one for the bathroom, in the bedroom.
Nice.
4 or 5 of them. And the only thing is, like in the middle, they
They sag a little
a
bit.
little bit, so you get a little bit of light out.
So would that be the work? Yeah, I always like to, when we find an owner. By the way, we're streaming live. I apologize, I didn't tell you. Okay. Everywhere we walk around and when we're doing streams, somebody walking. Oh, we've got the blah 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 blah. So we like to ask, what's your most favorite thing about your Lance?
It's quality.
The quality, and that's exactly what your wife said.
Incredible.
Yeah. And what's your, if you had to pick something, what's the least favorite thing about the Lance?
The particular model we have where she sits.
Is that model here?
I haven't seen it. It
Okay.
might
Haven't seen it
be-
yet.
Okay.
It's got 2 recliners.
Mhm.
You walk in the door. No, it's got
Got a
not
couch.
instead of recliners, it's got a couch. So and on the side of the couch is going
But
this
it's not
way
like
as
this.
opposed to this way. So you have to, and the TV's over here.
So it's an
Yeah.
awkward watching
Yeah.
position
Or
for the
you're
TV.
laying in the corner, and the couch is
Gotcha.
kind of low, so it's not overly comfortable.
Okay.
This is the only unit that they make that has a king size bed. Just
King size bed.
Oh,
Okay, Tex.
yes,
Tex, if you're
Tex.
watching this, we have a subscriber who's been looking for a towable under 30 feet with a king size bed.
and this is
This
it.
one, I think, is.
All right, we're going straight to the
All
bedroom.
right, Tex.
Going
here
straight
you
to the
go.
bedroom. Holy cow.
Thank you.
Here you go, Tex. You're going Lance, buddy. We're going to get to the toilet in a minute, but we've got to go to the bedroom.
I'll tell you this though. One of the other really good things about Lance, and we've noticed in our unit, when you close the doors and close the windows, you don't hear anything.
Oh, very nice.
Now-
I don't know if you guys could hear, so I will.
72 by 80, right? So it's not full residential king, but it's pretty darn close.
It's 4 inches
Now,
skinnier.
I can tell you, you got a couple of inches on the left, and it seems that you got a couple inches on the right. You probably could get a residential king size mattress in there.
I would agree.
Okay, he was saying that when everything closes up, you can't hear anything. Is that what you're
Yes,
saying?
We went to a
Yes.
state park a while back,
Doesn't
years
have nothing
ago,
but frogs.
and they call it Frogtober. 'cause
Frogtober.
all of the frogs. Inside, we heard nothing. As soon as you
Yeah.
open the door,
That's when you heard it.
it's unbelievable how loud it was outside with the frogs.
Now,
Wow.
and it's been a while since we've looked at a Lance, if I remember correctly, and we will go and check now. But because of the quality of the build, that means these are a little heavier than normal travel trailers its
I
size.
don't know about that. Ours was dry, I think 53,
Well, that's not
and
bad.
then its capacity is like 72.
We're going to go look in just a minute for
Yeah,
everybody.
we will.
It's not that bad.
Before we
And they tow
do-
real well too because
If
of
they
the
have it
torsion
here, it's a
axles.
2285.
22.
We got to look at
Thank
the
you.
bathroom here for all you tall people out
Thank
there.
you.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you.
We appreciate your
Appreciate it.
opinions.
You're welcome.
Tall Man's RV Reviews.
I saw you yesterday. I have to go and watch you now.
See?
Nice.
Welcome to the Tall Man Clan. Thank you guys. All right, let's get on that toilet.
All right.
And then we'll go check the weight after this in the shower.
You got it.
Okay. Yeah, we're right again at the limit. You can see the door probably closes right where that line is, and you see where my toe is. But just like some of the others, right? Even if my feet went, it's okay. If I needed another inch or two.
You know, I got to tell you, it was from my perspective. I know you're on a microphone, so nobody else is going to notice. Even being in the bathroom was much quieter than our RV.
Oh, really?
When talking
yeah, I mean,
through the door.
that's a solid door. It's not
That
hollow
is.
core. Oh, actually, it is. Sorry, but it's really, when I grabbed it, it felt heavy.
Yes.
That's why I thought it was completely solid.
And you were definitely muffled in there.
Much more solid. All right, let me
Yes.
climb in the shower real quick. Oh yeah, this one's good too. Okay. So the bubble is in perfect location. Again, this to me shows great design because let's be honest, if this wasn't here, you're only going to be able to be like 5'9" and stand in here, or 5'10", and at least the designers figure that out ahead of time so that the bubble is perfectly positioned to so you're standing where you need to stand in the shower.
Beautiful.
Okay. Absolutely. And just for fun, Lisa, I want you to sit on that toilet. This toilet's raised. I want to see if her feet are off the ground or not.
All right, let's see.
Are you dangling?
I'm on my tippy toes.
Dangling. Is that uncomfortable?
It's not uncomfortable because my feet are
Touching, your toes are touching?
So it's not uncomfortable.
It was great for me.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so that's Lance. Again, did anybody leave a comment? Do you guys want us to check out another model? Let us know. Leave a comment down there if you want us to go check out another model. We're going to leave this particular one and try to get the weight for you guys. All right, here we go. Gross vehicle weight on this, 8,900 pounds.
And Jordan is with us and would like to see the 2445.
All right, let's see if we can find that, Lisa.
All righty.
I'm trying to find cargo carrying capacity, 1,885. So let's just for round numbers, call that 1,900 pounds. So empty your 7,000. Okay, what's the number again? We're going to the 1875.